Hi, Abhaya here. I'd like to share a playful sequence with you that I've been doing almost daily in my practice. This can be used as a warm up or just for fun. It moves the spine in every direction, rolls out tension in the hips, trunk, and shoulders, and is great for a functional core. First, we're going to break it down to learn the movement, and then you can repeat it at your own pace as much as you'd like. Start by coming onto the back. Float the knees without touching the legs. Wrap the arms like a big bear hug around the knees for modified Apanasana release. Do this a couple of times, exerting minimal effort. Find ease, just like a flower blossom opening and closing. Next time you open, roll to the right. Let the arm start to untwist you to the left, the leg and other arm follow. Jatara Parivartanasana, just nice spinal twist, nice and easy, rocking from left to right. Next time you come onto the left side, extend the right leg and walk the arms towards the foot, following momentum, and then come back and roll the other way. Same thing, starting to feel a sense of momentum taking you beyond the extended leg. And the next time you roll over to the left, we're going to take it a little bit further. Allow the sole of the foot to plant and just notice as you twist how the leg follows the arms, right? We don't want to take your body into too deep of a twist here. So play with that transition a couple of times, walking the hand over the leg and then going all the way, gaze to the right, gaze at your little stinger leg, and then unroll. Try that transition. And then we'll go all the way to the other side. Rolling on the body. Now left leg extends, walk around the left leg, sole of the right foot plants, and roll onto the belly. Try that a couple of times, just getting a sense of how to allow the body to move fluidly and not force yourself into too deep of a twist. So the next time we come onto the belly, gaze over the left shoulder at the stinger leg, and then swap legs, gaze over the right shoulder. Extend left arm and leg, roll onto the back, and then we're back at the beginning. So it starts with our modified Apanasana, relaxed Jatara Parivartanasana to right and left sides. And the next time you roll to the right, extend the left leg. Let's try that whole transition. Walk the arms all the way around, roll onto the belly, gaze left, gaze right, and roll onto the side. You're back at the beginning. Apanasana. This time, roll to the left, roll to the right, extend the left leg all the way around, gaze left, gaze right, roll onto the back, and you're back at the beginning. So you've got a couple of options. You can alternate right and left sides, or you can start to take the roll all the way into the next round. So once you get the hang of it, you roll onto the back, extend the top leg, and keep going. You do need a little bit of space to do this, but it's quite fun. It gives you a full body massage and allows you to get into a sense of flowing, supporting the spine from every direction. And you'll notice you keep going in the same direction. So here my left leg is always extending, which means when I eventually get onto my back, I'll have to pause and then decide to go the other way. So try that a few times. Once you get the hang of it, see if you can start to flow through the sequence on your own a few times. Most importantly, have fun. Enjoy the movement and try to feel the massage along the whole body as you roll around on the floor. Namaste.